Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Professor Xiao. The purpose of this video is to help you with a specific homework question. The data set in this video is a little special. It's simulated data, not an imported data. Let's look at the Jupyter Notebook. Based on the simulated data, this is the confusion matrix. Notice that the predicted labels are arranged as columns. The actual labels are arranged as rows. This layout is consistent with the format that I recommend to use in the lecture video as well as in the following videos. Make sure that you stick to these layouts. Here, I simulated the data based on the key values of the confusion matrix so that the confusion matrix will turn out to be exactly the same after the data is simulated. Note that I use a random seed 10 to shuffle the simulated data set. As for the imported packages, we only need a short list of these because we are only dealing with the data sets and the model evaluation metrics. All of the functions used here to calculate the model evaluation metrics come from the scikit-learn package.metrics submodule. The confusion matrix again. Now let's calculate the specific model evaluation metric. I will demonstrate how to calculate F1 score both by hand and by programming. The formula for F1 score is shown on the screen. F1 score is a little bit more complex than the other metrics. It involves two other major concepts, recall and precision, and each of those concepts are calculated by using more fundamental terms in terms of true positives, false positives, and true negatives. So I suggest that you first calculate recall and precision and then use those results to calculate F1 score. So here is what I do. Based on the calculations of recall and precision in the other videos, I calculate F1 score. Examine the formula and let's run the codes. To use programming to get F1 score, you will use the F1 score function from scikit-learn.metrics. You provide the same arguments as you did for other evaluation metric functions, you get the score. Let's run this. I will print the results side by side to examine the results. The results match. That means the calculation by hand as well as by using programming are correct. This concludes the video for demonstrating how to calculate F1 score. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to watch my other videos on other concepts of the confusion matrix. See you next time.